Empire color coupe, me and Stacy. Dash on a bitch, I don't care if niggas hate me. X6 lift, no belt, no safety. Bag on a bitch if the bitch wanna chase me. She wanna fuck, but that bitch not a 10 though. Please back up, bitch, hands out the benzo. Bitch got mad, put a stain on my window.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Janae, and as you can see, this video will be very chaotic, but it is indeed a makeup tutorial on how to do this really simple and easy eyeshadow. I'm starting with my brows. I'm just brushing them out right now using my pomade. I don't really remember where it's from, but it's just any regular brow pomade. I don't personally like my brows that much, so there's honestly not that much of me doing them in here. It's just the basics. You fill them in, brush them out, and then conceal them. I do like concealing my brows, I will admit. It's really satisfying to just cut them out. By the way, it is the middle of the night, 2:21 a.m. So excuse me if I sound like I'm whispering. But then I just blend it out and add a primer on my lids, which is actually just a really light concealer that I use that I got from the beauty supply, and I blend that out as well. As I start right here, I'm actually using a NYX palette. I don't really remember what it is called, but it's from that little sugar like collection thing. I got a few palettes from it, and it's just this orange in it. It's really good, and I love orange on the eyelid. I think it's a really nice color, to be honest, for people of color, for black people basically. And I use another orange out of my Juvia's Place palette to blend that out at the top. And I used also the pink in the Juvia's Place palette, and that is it on my eyes. I blend a little bit more of that orange on the side, and that is basically what I do for my eyes. Now, as you can see right here, I'm literally just putting the eyelash glue on my eyelash. I gave you a closer look. And as that dries, I put on my mascara. I basically do all I can in the in-between time when my eyelash glue is drying. So I also added a little bit of that orange from the Juvia's Place on my lower lash line. And look at this beautiful highlighter. It's triple baked. It's so great. The color is called Goddess of Faith, and it's so pretty. So I put it on my inner corner, and I accidentally time-lapse put it on my foundation. So sorry about that. And I saw this TikTok where they put on their concealer only in those certain places, which I've seen before. So I just did it this time to see if it was any difference. And honestly, it looks the same, and it just saves a lot of concealer. So I might just start doing this one rather than the other one. And yeah. Okay, so right here I'm just putting a little bit more of that Goddess of Faith highlight under my brow, just to, you know, give myself a nice little shadow under there, or whatever it's called, you know what I'm saying. Now right here is where it got a little chaotic, because I was actually on the phone and this girl was saying all these hilarious jokes, and it kept making me laugh, ruining my video, and I just really couldn't control it. I tried to be professional, but I couldn't. So I'm just bronzing my face at this point with just some random eyeshadow. I'm not about to lie, and because I cannot find no contour bronzer dark enough for me, so I use the eyeshadow right here, and I basically put it all over my face. So yeah, at this point I was crying, literally crying, laughing at this girl's joke, and it backfired because I kind of ruined my makeup, not about to lie. I'm trying to squeeze my eyelashes together like everything is okay, do some damage control, put some powder under my eyes, you know, just basically I'm trying to make it work. So I go in with the Juvia's Place palette, and I just use the orange and the brown basically as like a blush on my face, because I don't have a blush in a good color for me. So that's what I use right there, and yeah, we're back to normal, so it seems. Now I'm just using the same highlighter and putting it on my face. Nothing special here, I just put it on my cheekbones. As you can see, my eyelash is hanging off, even though I thought I squeezed it together. Clearly I didn't. So yeah, I finished putting on my highlighter, and then I honestly just ended up taking my eyelashes off and moving on to lip gloss, because I put aside some different eyelashes. They're basically the same, but some dry ones, because the other ones were wet from my tears. And as I waited for those, I put on my lip gloss, and quickly I realized I actually forgot to put lip liner on. So I have to go back and wipe that lip gloss off, put on some lip liner, as you can see right here, and then re-put on that lip gloss. you can hear the background noise, I am outside, so sorry about that. But right here, I'm just using my NYX matte face setting spray. I just spray that all over and fan it with my hands so it can dry. And at this point, my eyelashes were good enough to put back on, and it was like I was brand new, back to what I was in a civilized position. And I finished my makeup. I really hope you guys enjoyed. It was really easy. So if you guys, wanted to try out this makeup look, I recommend it because it's literally only 3 eyeshadows. It's pretty and it's great, and I really enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.